Alright, so here we go. Tomorrow we are going to be taking this Sonata to the dealership. And before I do, I got to go put the spark plugs back in there because I tried to unseason myself and I wasn't successful. You know, took out the spark plugs, WD-40, go down there and try to turn it. Didn't work. So I don't have any maintenance paperwork because I usually do it myself. But whatever, I'm just gonna take it the way it is and see what they say. Cool? Cool. Cuando la vida.
Without any sort of documentation on the oil changes. So, how soon can you get those to me?
Well, I got it to tomorrow, so I'm a day early for the.
Okay. Okay. Alrighty. I'll go ahead and just hang on to this until you get oil change records over to me, and then I'll get it written up. Okay?
I'm doing like a year in advance, or a year behind, or what is it? 7, 8 years.
How often are you changing your oil?
Every 3 to 4 months.
How many miles?
I think it's less than 3,000 miles. I know that.
Okay. Yeah, if you could just get me, the document, like the date and stuff when you got the oil and stuff, so I can submit it over to them.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's going on, guys? So 2 months after dropping off this guy with a seized engine, Hyundai came back. Yep, they came back, and they came back with full force. So they gave me a new block right there. Beautiful. But what they didn't do was to replace everything else. So they just gave me a new block. So if your engine is seized, you take it to the dealership, they check it out, and they'll replace just the block, nothing else. It has its major issues still. As I was pulling out, there was a coolant leak. So they had to put a new washer on that hose right there and there. There's some oil here. They said to check the fluids, but as you can see, it's lower than max. And I have an issue with the brakes. But hey, you know what? I got me a 0 mile block over there. Quote, let me quote that. And the transmission has 117,000 miles on it. So yeah, even though I have a new engine, I have an old transmission. Regardless, we'll just treat it right. So my tips. So make sure you save your receipts for your oil change, and you do that by either bringing in the receipts from oil that you previously bought, the oil filter that you bought 3, 6, and 9 months ago, so that way you can qualify to get your engine replaced. If you don't bring such evidence, well, then you're gonna be kind of screwed there, because there's really no evidence that you changed the oil on your car. Alrighty. Now, if you know some friends somewhere at the dealer parts, at the auto parts, you might get your receipts there, mind you. Alrighty. If not, well then you're kind of screwed. Save your receipts, and if anything, take it. You're supposed to do it 4 times a year, the oil change, or however many miles you want to do it. You just take a year. Do one at the dealership, one at a more economical place. Maybe one of your friends do it and have a receipt The key here was receipt. If I had the receipt, you will get a new engine. Cool. All right, now that this project is complete and done, it's kind of cheating. We still have to work on those over there. But anyway, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Leave a comment below if you've gone through the same situation with a seized engine block, crankshaft, or whichever way they want to phrase it. Yeah, let me know what's going on. Maybe I could give you a hint or two that I've not posted on the video. Cool? Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do what you always do. Hustle. Hustle, 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 hustle.